200% in 1 month. That is the month of September, and that is exactly what I made. If that is not even little, because I know I made more. No hype, no BX. And here are my proofs. In fact, this particular single trade is 2000%. So if you are that trader that want to grow that your small crypto account fast, this is your playbook. Watch this video to the end, because I am dropping a killer step-by-step strategy that everyone and anyone can copy and bank big. I am talking about flipping that small tiny $5 to $1,000 into 200 to 2000% gain by trading smart and riding on the current momentum of the market, and using these simple step strategies I'll be giving you. You will make it big. No rocket science here, and I'll break it down. But before I break it down, I need to advise you right now that trading is more profitable than holding in crypto. If you're not holding Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, BNB, you might be holding the wrong coin. Here are the reasons. See, millions of coins are created on a monthly basis and pushed into the market. Unlike the previous bull run when we had just 10 million coins in the market. Imagine we are 100 million people are consuming 10 million coins. What would be the value of that coin? 2017, we had only 3,000 to 3 million coins, and imagine that amount consumed by 100 million people. What do you expect? But right now, Pump Fund and Bonk Fund, those protocols that make launching coin at a second make it more easier, is slowing down the pace and the value and utility of coins right now in the market. If you're holding the wrong coin, you might be stuck in one place. As a matter of fact, you must sell at loss, because people are moving by trend and narrative and news, and you are still in the old one. Imagine going to hold Celestial coin, Cardano coin up to date. What would be your fate? Why Asta is pumping and Avant is pumping? What happens next? After now, they might fade away. We move to the new trend. So make sure you are trading and why hold the right coins. Now, so if you think trading is the best decision you need to make now, then you are going to make it big in crypto, because once you see a little momentum and you want to hold the bull run has come, the next minute is going to crash. Make sure you're taking advantage on every single ride you see. Take profit. By the way, let's get straight to the business. I'll give you the steps, and then I'll go down to the chart to give you a clear view. Step 1 is that you have to hunt for coins that is crushing it big on the chart within 24 hours. See those ones doing 50%, 100% and more, they must retrace. So you have to pay attention to those coins, and this is the right time for it. Okay, step 2, hit up all news alert social channels to spot the catalyst behind the pump. Those are real fundamentals that is actually pushing the price. Let's take for instance, Asta came up, CZ tweeted the momentum was high. It left 0.5 that I met it to $2.4. That is what you should be paying. And then wait for when the ride or the wave is done. Short that particular coin. You're going to make crazy money. That will take us to step 3. Don't just jump in. Wait for a confirmed pullback. I mean, using bearish engulfing candlesticks. You see, that confluence gives you a high probability entry. And then step 4, use a low leverage like 5x, 2x, 3x to 10x to supercharge your gains. But scale into position with multi entries to manage your risk like pro. I mean, set your entry in different demand zones. That will help you. And then the final step, take partial profit at every key demand zone and watch the market reaction closely. Locking in gain while staying in the trade is the secret sauce, and you must not trade all, and be sure that this particular one is the real gem. I'll give you bonus tip, but before then, let me take you to the chart. Let's pick one. Okay, so looking at this place, you're going to see top gainers, right, on futures. And then Tutu is doing 32%. Celo is doing 27%. Now, let's look at Tutu. Put it in 1 hour candlestick. Now, Tutu is going up. If you must short Tutu, you have to wait for 13726. If you must short it, you don't just short here. Instead, you are supposed to be long market at this time. Once you see this type of ride, wait for it. Don't just jump in, wait. Then go to 4-hour time frame to confirm, go to daily, and then you can see two things is going to happen here. It's either we're going to experience a pullback here, or you're going to wait for this to confirm first, but then you have to wait till tomorrow. So let's go back and look for the next one here. We saw Celo. Then we'll go to 1 hour. Now Celo is confirming that bearish movement here. Let's go to 1 hour. Now Celo is giving you a nice entry for a short opportunity. So what I need to do right now is to go to trading view and then open it clear, and then we'll analyze the chart. Let's go. So let's zoom properly to see without even doing anything on the chart. This is just a typical pattern by just understanding the trend, and then you move with it. So we're coming to 2 hours, right? Go to 4 hours. Good. If possible, start from moon so that you're going to measure it down. Now let's look at it. This coin actually left $5 and still struggling to come up since, if you look at it from here. And then let's go to weekly. Weekly, you're going to see it has actually 2024 March last pump, it got to 1.8, and then December it got to 1.3, and now it has always been retracing or stopping at 0.4, which is good opportunity. Let's go to daily. Now daily confirms the whole stuff for you. Now let's go down here and paste this. Now this is a very nice shorting opportunity. So once you see Celo like this making this move, rush to the very strong resistance zone and place your line short from that particular place. This is it, and well confirmed. You're going to see. So you see that from here is already going down. So let's go down and confirm at 4 hour. At 4 hour, you can see. Let me reset, and then let me zoom this little, and then let's go to 1 hour. And now you can see that ever since it got to this point, look at it here. Let's go to daily. So you can see from daily, you can see that it ought to retrace from here. It has no choice. This is the market for you. Now we'll come to 1 hour to confirm what we said. You can see 1 hour confirmed it. So for the past how many hours? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hours, it has been going down. It meaning that the buy pressure, the buyers are already exhausted, and at this point they are about to sell, because from here to here they have made good profits. Yes, huge profit. Now they need to sell. Now let's go and check how much they have made. Start from here to here. That is 34%. Then if you go by how many X you are trading, depending on the volume you are using, let's say you're using 10x on 1,000, that is 100,000. 100,000 by 34%, do the calculation. That is what you should have made. The same thing by $100. And that is how you can always trade this market. As simple as, this is something nobody is going to show you, but crypto is very simple. When you understand how market behaves and you follow that particular pattern, you're going to make crazy money. Without speaking many grammars and jargons, people are beginning to draw a lot of line for you on the chart. So this is the same pattern I've used. So coming down here, you're going to see, then where are you supposed to start selling? Set your sell position right here. First sell position, set first one here, and then set second one here, third one, bring it down here, fourth one, drop it here, and the fifth position here. Do you think this is going to play out? If you want me to make a video of this particular chart later on, once it plays out, I'm going to be making the video to drop it. So let me first mark all and then keep it open for you guys. First one here, and I say second one should come here, and third should come here. So these are the various sell positions I've mapped out. So I'm going to keep this chart, and I'll be making a video to confirm if this finally played out. Before I round up this video, I want to remind you that stop losses are non-negotiable. Set them below your entry or above your entry, depending on short or long that you are doing, and make sure you do that to protect your capital against any spike or dump, right? And of course, pick your time frame wisely. And for me, I measure from higher time frame down to lower time frame so that I can visualize the chart properly without even analyzing anything. I can be able to pinpoint the direction of the market and where every correction and retracement should be happening. So if you can do that, fine, but 1 hour to 4 hour cannot just give you a clear view. But do not use short time frame because they are too noisy for my liking. This is crypto market and not the forex market. Try this method. Manage your risk smartly. I guarantee you are going to make a lot of profit before the end of October. Let's crush this market together. And don't forget, my name is Gibeni. Hit the subscription button and the bell notification so that you will encourage me to be making more valuable videos that will going to profit you again. I'm out.